Okay, so there are dumplings and then there are these. Pops of lemongrass and a sweet, tangy Vietnamese style sauce at the end. These are my pork and lemongrass dumplings. So I know you guys know that I love dumplings. I know you love dumplings because you guys tell me so. So we're gonna do a really fresh, light version of dumplings today, spiked with some beautiful lemongrass and a little bit of a Vietnamese kind of flair. All right, let's go with the filling first, the all-important filling. I'm doing pork today. And as always, I've got some little tricks for how we keep our dumpling filling really soft and tender. Before we get to that though, let's do the flavorings. So I want some lemongrass here. Always bruise the lemongrass first and then take off the sort of outer stem part because it's always kind of really firm and hard and difficult to chew and chop. And then we just want to really finely slice the pale part. Now I also want some garlic. Now here comes the first of one of my tricky ingredients. I am going to add some chicken stock here. And adding some extra liquid into the filling is going to keep it really super soft. I don't want any hard golf ball type of dumplings for this dish. Now some fish sauce and a little dash of sugar for just a tiny little sweetness to our pork. And now for my last little tricky ingredient, I'm going to add some corn flour or cornstarch, depending on where you are in the world. Now this one is going to kind of mix in with the liquids in the filling and create a really silky texture to the filling. Soft and silky, that's what we're going for. Now just some seasoning to finish off, some freshly ground black pepper and some salt. Now give everything a mix. I want a vigorous mix here to kind of really work in the corn flour and that chicken stock as well. Now to wrap these guys up, I just want a wonton wrapper and a little dollop of pork in the center, a little bit of water, and I'm not going to go for any fancy kind of folding here. I just want one fold and press the edges together. And there you go. So now we have a full tray of dumplings here ready to go. And the benefit of not having fancy plating is that happens a lot quicker. Now, before I cook these, I am going to make a really yummy little Vietnamese style sauce to go with them. I want some fish sauce, some white vinegar, sugar, some chili, and some garlic. And just to finish things off, I want some lime juice as well. Now just whisk that together to get that sugar to start to dissolve. Now just pop these into some boiling water to cook. I like to keep them moving and flipping around in that hot water just to make sure they cook evenly. Now these only take a few minutes, which is good because I'm very anxious to try them. Just drain them straight out onto a plate. And douse them with some of that golden chili and garlic flake sauce. A little greenery to finish off. And there you go guys, one of the simplest dumplings I know how to make, and yet the flavour really blows you away. Wow. I love how wonton wrappers are really soft and silky. And then because we've added those little extra ingredients into the filling, it just kind of melts away along with the wrapper. And then you're hit with this beautiful lemongrass and tangy garlic chili flavor. The whole thing is literally just like a little silky pork explosion. Out of this world good, guys. You really need to try these. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them below. And if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell one, and that way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks, guys.